Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this awesome retro velocity editing style in CapCut. So I've already added a video in here and I want to apply the retro velocity into this video. And what you need to do first is add the audio. So just add the audio that you want to the video. For example, here I'm going to just use this audio right here and I'm going to trim it to match with the video like this. And after that, click on the video and go to style, click on the velocity category and you'll find the retro zoom option. Select that and wait until CapCut detecting the music and apply the retro zoom velocity style into the videos. So the process is finished and this is the retro zoom velocity edits in CapCut. And that's all from me guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.